dead hands. I'm okay with that. You do realize I'm the guy that retired Hall of Famer Kurt Angle. And you know what? I got no problem retiring your ass too.
Oh, and Seth Rollins has heard enough, and Rollins, who's been on an emotional edge for the past week, went right after Corbin, but Baron Corbin, though, oh, the right hand of Rollins. This is a perfect situation for Corbin to capitalize. Accepts this emotional and somehow still champion. Come Super Showdown, Baron Corbin could knock it off. And Rollins caught Corbin and drove him out of the ring, and Rollins isn't done there, driving Corbin into the barricade.
That's looking to do some damage to Baron Corbin before this Friday at Super Showdown.
Wait a minute, speaking of doing some damage, we know that Lesnar is here. Yet is this another false alarm? And Corbin, end of days to Rollins off the distraction of the Lesnar music. Rollins is down and out.
Oh, here he comes.
No. And here comes the beast.
Got a steel chair in hand.
And a referee in tow. And the advocate Heyman with the contract. Here it comes. Lesnar marching to the ring to make good on his promise. And Rollins has been taken out after the end of days by Corbin. Seth Rollins is prone here. And low blow by Lesnar. Brock Lesnar with a low blow to Rollins. And now Lesnar with a chair. Brock Lesnar assaulting Rollins with a steel chair.
We could have a new Universal Champion moment.
Lesnar is mangling the steel chair across the spine of the champion. Guys, and Brock Lesnar with a German suplex, launching Rollins across the ring. No, Lesnar hasn't cashed in yet. Oh, no, he hasn't. Brock! No! Let me get on now! And a chair again to Rollins. Heard Lesnar tell Heyman, not now. The Beast inflicting maximum damage before they cash in. We are all but guaranteed.